Logistics tracking function will automatically synchronize the logistics information of the orders that have been shipped within 30 days, which facilitates the unified management of the logistics status of multiple packages and timely detection and treatment of abnormal tracking problems. Currently, the channels supported by 4Seller for inquiries are as follows. According to the acquired logistics information, the order will be divided into 9 different logistics and transportation statuses. 1. Pending refers to the request parameter problem caused by the inability to query. The reasons are 1. The tracking number matches more than one logistics provider. 2. The format of the tracking number or the code of the transporter is wrong. 3. Logistics providers that do not support tracking. Not found refers to the query but did not get the result. Maybe the transporter has not yet received the package or has not yet entered the tracking information of the package. In transit. The parcel is in transit. It may have been handed over to the transporter or some other transportation process. 4. Expired. The parcel has been transported for more than 10 days and still not delivered successfully. 5. Out of delivery. The parcel is being dispatched. Please keep your contact fluent to avoid delivery failure resulting in the return of the parcel. 6. Pickup. The parcel has arrived at the destination of the delivery point. Please contact as soon as possible to pick up, so as not to return the parcel. 7. Undelivered. The parcel is attempted to be dispatched but failed to be delivered successfully. 8. Delivered. The recipient has successfully received the parcel. 9. Exception. The package may be damaged during transportation, lost, delayed delivery, and other special circumstances were returned or detained by customs. Now let me show you how to use these functions. First step, enter the logistics tracking page. There are 2 entrances for entering. When you enter the page, you can first see the navigation column of exception tracking, which will count the number of orders with abnormal problems in real time. Click one of them. It will automatically filter out the abnormal problems in the order list, orders, and then cancel the filtering after re-clicking. In the unsigned and shipped field, you can customize the number of days in transit. Click the Edit button, enter the number of days in the Customize Days pop-up window. Click Save, and the order quantity will be rechecked. In this function, support the selection of query conditions are platform, store, logistics provider, logistics services, transportation status, delivery time, not updated time, the expected earliest delivery time, the length of transportation. Support for such query conditions are order number, package number, logistics tracking number, shipping address, delivery address, buyer's name, and support for batch search query. You can customize the query template and save the view, customize the view name to facilitate the next query directly through the saved conditions. The number of days not updated can be customized and modified as needed. Through the above query conditions, you can query the different status of the order transportation. Click the status icon. You can query the specific meaning of each status. You can re-query the current order information, or select multiple orders for batch query, which will retrieve the interface to query the latest information on the order transportation. When the order is in the state of pending inquiries and inquiries cannot be made, there may be the case that the tracking number is matched to more than one logistics provider. You can click on the logistics provider for the logistics provider to modify. After selecting the logistics provider that needs to be modified, The system will be based on the new logistics provider again to retrieve the interface to query the details of the order transportation. If some order information is not needed for logistics tracking, you can click Delete to delete this order information, and if you need to redisplay it, you can turn on the Show Deleted button, which will redisplay and update the logistic information of the deleted order. Click on the tracking number, the latest logistics information, or the transportation details on the right side of the operation column to open the transportation details pop-up window and query the detailed information of the current order transportation. Click on the logistics provider in the interface of the transportation details, and you can directly jump to the official website of the corresponding logistics provider. On the order list page, click the tracking number of the shipped order to open the shipping details pop-up window and inquire about the detailed information of the shipment. In the order details interface, you can view the current transportation status of the order and the corresponding logistics service. Clicking on the tracking number will jump to the logistics tracking interface and check out the logistics information of the current order. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe for 4Seller channel. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with 4Seller customer service.